Hello, my name is Mary Snitch. I'm with Lockheed Martin Corporation, the space company located in Palo Alto, California. I am so excited to be joining everyone at the COSPAR Scientific Assembly in Athens, Greece. It promises to be a great week for all attendees, and especially since this is the first in-person event for COSPAR since 2018. I'm especially excited about this assembly because it is marking the launch of the COSPAR IDEA initiative. IDEA is inclusion, diversity, equity, and accessibility, and what that means for the future of COSPAR. I am going to be holding a workshop with 5 distinguished speakers from around the world on Tuesday morning, the 19th of July, and we are going to be having a conversation about the new IDEA initiative and what are the recommendations that we can make for COSPAR and embracing diversity going forward. If you are not able to attend that workshop, I hope that you will search me out during the week, because I would very much like to chat with you about your perspectives of diversity and inclusion, and how you would make recommendations to COSPAR on their initiative going forward. So I hope you have a great week. Everyone stay well, and good day.